Hello everyone. So I am excited because today, Saturday, I am going to the farmers market and I'm actually heading to the one at Arrowhead Mall. If you guys are familiar with Arizona, I didn't look to see if it's still going. I hope it is, but I'm heading that way right now and I thought I would bring you guys along with me, kind of check out the different vendors, just kind of walk around. So stay tuned. Alright, just got here and I didn't realize that this one is 8 to 11 and it is 11:37. So I missed it. So I'm going to be headed to the one on I-17 and 101. That is the Pinnacle Peak Farmers Market. So stay tuned. Do you mind if I record?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, thank you.
Jojo, come here a second. Come here.
No, he's fine, he's fine.
She's gonna record a video.
Yeah. You guys, these are awesome.
Thank you. Everything we have is handmade in Tunisia, North Africa. The wood is
Okay.
olive wood. It's a really dense hardwood, which is why it makes great kitchen items.
I'm obsessed kind of like with the chest piece.
Yes, yes. In Tunisia, it's actually illegal to cut down an olive tree that's producing olives. So all of these trees, all of this wood came from trees that were done producing.
Hi. Do you mind if I record? Oh, awesome. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, these are cool. Do you guys mind if I record? These are really cool. Oh my gosh. Thank you.
You're very welcome for doing the aspects. So
Oh, perfect. I appreciate it. Thank you. Those are really cool. I love that.
all of them straight from the mountains to you.
God's creation is like so crazy cool. Thank you. Let's go down this way. As you guys saw, that was actually quite a success. They actually close at 2 o'clock, so I did make it on time. It's only 12. But I didn't go today to buy anything. I just wanted to get out of the house, kind of go observe, see what they have, and I'm actually so happy I did. They had a lot of cute stuff. But if you guys are interested in any kind of other videos that you want me to do, please leave a comment down below. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Give it a like. But till next time, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.